Hello, everyone. All right, we're going to finish up ConvertKit. So if you have any additional questions outside of this, then just let me know. But let's go over to ConvertKit. So we've done subscribers, automations, landing pages, broadcasts is what is next. So your broadcasts are campaigns and active campaign, pretty much campaigns in MailChimp. So these are campaigns that go out to your subscribers. And when you're doing a new broadcast, though, you should be able to send it to different people based off of how they've come into your ConvertKit account, right? So subject line, that's pretty normal. So here's your content, and here's a preview. So template. So sometimes, depending on the account that you have. So this is very standard. Of course, if you upgrade or anything like that, but you can get a little bit more better features. But when you're coming to the content, so we're just gonna say hello there. So what you're doing is you see this little plus sign. You're able to add an image, a file, a button, a divider, countdown timer, which is cool. Gallery of images, videos, icons, links. So here's music, HTML if you want to embed something. So personalization is like hi, first name, last name, whatever that is. Heading, number, list, block quotes. So this is kind of where you customize your broadcasts. Coming over into, you just do that and then you upload. You can upload from Instagram, which is cool. If you want this to be a personalization, then you could do personalization, first name, or you can do a personalized greeting. You can set that up. Subscriber tag, condition, subscriber email address. You can set all of that up. If you highlight over, obviously you have like the basics. You can do a link, you can do the color change, stuff like that. So that's pretty basic there. And when you go to hit continue, we're just going to continue. Okay, so here's your from address. So obviously you want to make sure that you're using the right email in ConvertKit. And I would always recommend using a domain name email, which is Caroline@Caroline Lewis Consulting instead of CarolineLewisConsulting@gmail.com. So here's where you're able to do any of the matching and whatnot. So you can do all subscribers, or you can add different filters like people in lists, people, custom fields would be not. So this is like your custom fields, your non-purchase, your phone numbers. So this is kind of where you add in custom fields, or you can filter into a group. Oops. So you're able to hit some groups like subscribe to a form, sequence, tags, products, right? So when they're in the groups or in the tags, you can do it that way. You obviously can do add a filter group, is adding like more variables. So if you don't want to do all the subscribers, but maybe you want to add 2 tags to get this broadcast, right? So you would add another filter group. This would be like tag 1, and it wouldn't be, it would be subscribe to a tag. So we would say general list. And then this one is also, so we're saying also people in that went through this form, right? Whatever that is. So that's how you're able to customize who the broadcasts send to. Now, when you're creating the automations, those are automatically coming in and out, right? So the sequences that we kind of put together, that's the automation. So the automations are like your pre and your post automations per landing page or sales page funnel or product funnel, right? So anytime they sign up or they purchase something, those automations are unique to their action. Broadcasts would go into like your weekly newsletter. So normally with automations, what I have is I have a flow, I end the automation, and then I add them as a tag or into the general list. And that general list is who I said regular newsletter, emails, just regular email marketing. And why that's important, because what you want is your newsletters aren't really sales pitches. Your sales pitch in the email goes into your automations, right? Because those are sequenced in the emails, in the email funnel, depending on the action that they take. So your newsletters aren't always sales pitches. They're just tips, tricks, advice, how-tos, testimonials, get to know me, stuff like that, vulnerable or the vulnerability type of emails, right? So that's why in the broadcasts, maybe you want to send to your general list, or maybe you only want to send to those who opted into your freebies, right? So you would only hit the freebie tag or the freebie tags that you have. And you're sending everyone who opted in for a free product an email. So that's kind of the difference between the broadcasts and the automations, which you might already know. And then of course you can send now, or you can schedule it out. Public feed, so you can kind of come over here, but this is posting it into, like, yeah, as it says, customized newsletters. So if you're doing any landing pages or something like that, you can embed these in, which I don't really know why you would want to do that, but maybe. So preview text is the line after the subject line. And then this is just like a internal note section. So that's the advanced options. And then of course you just hit continue. So other here, you can duplicate these broadcasts, and then obviously you can delete them, which is what I'm going to do. Okay, so that is broadcasts. All right. So our last one, we're going to get into products, and I'll just make sure I cover everything in ConvertKit, but we should be good.